Hello everybody, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, am I going to show you how to use while loop to build a guessing game. Okay, let's start by defining a variable to store our secret number. So we can call secret number secret underscore number number and set it to 9, and then we need a while loop to repeatedly ask the user to make the guesses. So we can use while condition and colon. So what is here, what is this condition? So we want to give user maximum number of 3 guesses. So it's similar to the last tutorial, guys. So we can define a variable like high and less than, or you can use and assign to 0. Then we will write our while condition, guys. Okay, I less than 3, and please note that am I not using the less than or equal to operator. Okay, am I not using less than or equal to operator, guys, here, because our while condition will execute 4 times while I is equal to 0, 1, 2 and one more is 3. So here we should use the less than operator. Okay, now if I give this code to someone else, it's not clear what is this high represents, and it's only in our head that I represent the number of guesses the user has made, right? So as the best practice, always you people are use meaningful and descriptive names for your variable, guys. Okay, so it's better to rename the variables to guess count. Okay, guess count count, guess count is equal to 3, and I will also change the high value to the variable called, you can say, guess underscore limit limit. Okay, and you can set it to 3, right? Now I need to change year also. Okay, just I will copy this one and just erase, just paste here. Now I will copy here, just I will change instead of 3. Okay, so this is how we can write the code, guys, because the Python interpreter will get easily understand. Okay, now we need to write input function. Suppose if the while condition is true, then we want to ask the user to make the guess. So here we can use our input function, input function, add parenthesis, add in within the quotations we can add the guess. Okay, and now whatever the user enters comes out as a string. Now we need to convert it as an integer using the integer function, guys. Okay, int parenthesis. Now just close the parenthesis. Okay, so we can write here int function. After that we can pass it the result to the int function, right? Now and store it in a variable or separate variable. We can store it in a separate variable called, you can say, guess only, guess and space. Okay, now at this point the user made the guess, and then we need to increment the guess count. guess underscore count, guess count, and you can increment by plus symbol equals to 1. Okay, now we need to check to see if the user will make their right guesses. So here we need an if statement. Okay, if guess guess equals to you can type your secret underscore number number and column here. Okay, now here after the if statement, so if this condition is true, we want to tell user they own. Okay, then we need to write print print, add parentheses, add quotations. Within the quotations we will write you own. Okay, just I will here give some space. Then after the print statement, I will run this program up to this point and see what happened. Okay, guess I will enter the wrong guesses. So if once asking me enter the guesses, I will say 1, then click. Okay, I will enter 2, then I will 3. Okay, but 3 guesses are over. But what is missing statement this implementation? What is the message will missing this implementation? Anybody knows? The message is that it will try to tell me that you are failed. Okay, but it's not going to tell me right. Okay, we will take care of it after. Okay, let me run this program one more time. Okay, just wait, some errors will appear. I will clear it one more time. Okay, it's okay. Now it's will asking me guess. Okay, I will enter the right guess 9, enter. Okay, it will showing you won. The if condition is true, this condition is true, that's why it will going to print you won. Okay, but still it will showing me, you guess once again. Okay, because our while loop is going to execute 3 times, right? So that's why it will going to asking me once again guess. Okay, we need to change our program such that if the user enter the right guess, we need to terminate our while loop. We need to jump out of it. How do we do that? That is very simple. Okay, that is very simple using the break statement, break statement, guys. Okay, I think I earlierly told you people, if cases, if condition will optionally have the else block, right? In same way, the while condition also will have the optionally else block. Okay, from this I will going to print else block, else column, then print. You can add the quotations. Within the quotations I will going to add sorry, try again. Okay, okay, now let's run our program and see what happens. Okay, guess I will enter the 9. Okay, 9 and press enter. Okay, you will won, and you people are aware about it. When I will enter this break statement, it will jump out of the if block, and it will doesn't show the guess again. Okay, so this is how we can use the break statement and else part, guys. Okay, I think you people are enjoyed this video. I think you people are know how to make a guessing game using the while loop, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, see you in the next video, take care.